lowest to highest and highest to lowest. So here I've selected star from our products table, and you can see it's automatically ordered by the ID field, which is our primary key. So it's going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's ordered using the ID field. But what if we want to order our data using a different field? Let's say we wanted to list the price from lowest to highest, or highest to lowest. How are we going to do that? Well, to do that we need to enter in an order by statement. So in our select star from products, we can go and enter a new line, and we can type order by the price column, so order by price, and then we can state either ascending or descending. So we want it from lowest to highest, so we want ascending. So to do that we type ASC, and then we can run that statement. And you can see now that our result set is no longer ordered by ID, but it's ordered by our price column. So first one is 2.5, 3, 3.25, 3.5. So that's ordered by price column in ascending order, and similarly to do in descending order, we just need to type DESC after the price column. So replace ASC with DESC. So this is ordering by the price column in descending order, so from highest to lowest. And you can see now that it starts at 3.50 and it's going down, so 3.25, 3, and then finally 2.5. So this is how we order data in ascending and descending order. So that's for a price column, so a number field. Now let's do it for strings. So let's select star from our customer table, and here you can see it's ordered by ID as well, which is the primary key. It's always ordered by the primary key by default, but let's order it by last name. So let's select star from customers and let's order by last name. Now first of all let's do it from A to Z. So from A to Z it's actually ascending, so ASC. And you can see now it starts with the first entry, which is actually a null value for the last name, so null values come first, and then it starts with A for Armstrong, and then Bluth, and then E, J, L, etc. So ascending for strings is A to Z, and then if you wanted to order it from Z to A alphabetically, you would type DESC instead. So order last name descending, and you can see we start at West, so W, and then T, and then the Smiths, and then finally we get to A and our null values. So we have null values at the end when you're doing it descending order A to Z or Z to A. And we can also order by a date field. So let's select star from orders, and you can see that it looks like it's ordered by date or by the order time column, but it's actually ordered by the ID field. It just happens when I was entering the data that I made sure that each order was also in time order as well. So let's order this by the order time column instead. So let's select star from orders, and let's add a where clause. Let's add where customer ID is equal to 1. So we're going to find out on which days customer ID is coming into our shop to buy a coffee, and then we can type order by order time, and let's start with ascending. So this is going, so you can see ascending is going from the 2nd of January to the 3rd to the 4th. So it's going from the furthest time back to the latest order, which was the 28th of February. And if we were to do this in descending order, we would see that the first entry is on the 28th of February, and then it's going back in time for each order, so 21st, 20th, 13th, and then the ones in January. So this is how we order data by column when we're doing select statements. One more thing to add is that you can just not put DESC or ASC at all. You can simply type order by a column, and if we run that, we can see the default is to order the column from lowest to highest, so from 2.5 all the way up to 3.5, or the default is on strings is to order it from A to Z. So you can see it starts with the null, and then it's A, B, E, etc.